all your IPv4 addresses are gone. How do you get to the next step? Well, Drew, you guys at A10 have come up with kind of a different way of looking at it. Why don't you tell us about what you're doing to address the shortage of IPv4 addresses?
Sure. So here at A10, we have a carrier-grade NAT or network address translation appliance that consolidates IP address space in your V4 so you can preserve your V4 space and really help, it becomes a band-aid for when you do go to V6. And the V6 and V4, our technology allows the different addresses to communicate with each other, V6 to V4, V4 to V6. Very popular, not only in the carrier space, like your top-tier carriers, your worldwide carriers, but also in the broadband television space, telcos, universities, all that are migrating to V6, or if they have an explosion of devices coming into a specific area, like a campus on a Saturday for a football game that has a limited block of IP space. This allows the school or the university to not drop connections in order to best serve their customers.
And this is basically just a piece of hardware that goes into the head end or your central office?
Correct. It's a networking appliance that goes into the core and can work directly with your networking team.
And one of the big benefits is it's not going to cost you a fortune to implement. Is that right?
It is correct. A lot of the service providers and universities do like our product because it does not break the bank, and it's a solution that helps them get to where they eventually need to go into V6.
So from a U.S. perspective, it's one thing, but when you get into developing countries, how does this work there? Is it are there some advantages?
Sure. Price performance. Some countries are slower to adopt, but at the same time, the technology will get there. And because we're a global company and we have an install base worldwide, we work with large carriers, but also smaller carriers that would take advice or use larger carriers as a backstop to see who they should deploy.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much and good luck with this.
Thank you very much.